Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is another tutorial for the song Open the Eyes of My Heart. So now grab your uke and make sure it's in standard tuning of G, C, E, A. We only need 4 chords for this song. We have C, G, we have F, and A minor. So for this strumming pattern, we will be using down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Now let's do the verse with me singing the song. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. Now let's go to chorus, and the chords that we need for the chorus are G, A minor, F, and G. Now let's do the chorus with me saying the chords. We have G, A minor, F, and G. Now let's do the chorus with me singing the song. To see you high and lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. Now let's go to the bridge, and we will be using the same chords and the same strumming pattern with the verse. So now let's do it with me saying the chords. We have C, G, we have F, and C. Now let's do it with me without saying the chords. Holy, 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 we cry, holy, holy, holy. You are holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. Holy, 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 we cry, holy, holy, holy. You are holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. And let's go back to the chorus. To see you high and lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. And for the outro, we will be using the chords of the verse. We have C, G, F, and C. Now let's do it with me saying the chords. We have C, G, F, and C. And let's do it without me saying the chords. So that is our ukulele tutorial for Open the Eyes of My Heart, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. God bless!